You'd be wondering, what's the big deal with AI and why should I care? Well, you might be one of those people that already started playing with ChatGPT and creating a cool action figure toy of yourself, and maybe even going as far as animating it. AI is so much more than that, though. What if you could learn faster, work smarter, and make better decisions? This is just scraping the surface of what AI can do. AI is used in everything, like the car you drive and how your email knows how to filter spam. There's no avoiding it, and let me tell you just how you'll fall behind if you ignore it. Doing a Google search for what happened to Kodak Company will be pretty revealing. You can use AI to get ahead in your personal career with promotions, or if you have a business, you can catch up to and surpass a larger competitor, especially if they fail to adopt AI. You don't have to stay up all night working long hours to get ahead either. Using AI-based tools, you can improve productivity and reduce stress. You can make better decisions and get ideas faster than before. If you need help writing resumes or practicing job interviews, use AI. How about getting marketing ideas for your business and improving customer communication? You can get ideas for better time management and problem solving, which I've used several times. AI doesn't replace your thinking, it accelerates it, so you got to think about it differently. The better you communicate with AI, the more powerful it becomes. So you need to learn how to create useful prompts that give you the results you're hoping for. I've written a book that dives in answering questions like, should we fear AI? Will it replace my job? How can it help my business? How can I use it to improve my personal life? And what does the future of AI look like? It's available for sale on Amazon, and the link is in the description below. Remember, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might. Stop fearing it and start learning more about it. Like and subscribe for more. And don't forget to buy my book. Thanks.